The laboratory monitor flickers in the dim light, displaying a number that once seemed impossible. A 6-year survival milestone for a patient once deemed terminal. This is not a divine miracle or a stroke of luck. It is the dawn of the cancer vaccine era. Across 7 nations, including China, the United States, and Russia, the race to turn cancer into a manageable chronic condition has reached a decisive turning point. For decades, we fought a losing battle of passive defense. But now, the strategy has shifted. We are no longer waiting for the enemy to strike. We are taking the fight to the cellular level. The era of despair is finally beginning to recede. By 2026, the scientific community had fully embraced a strategy of active pursuit. Scientists are now training the body's own T-cells to act as relentless hunters. Using cutting-edge mRNA technology and dendritic cell vaccines, they are teaching the immune system to recognize the specific wanted posters of cancer cells. Once these biological soldiers are activated, they gain the incredible mobility to navigate through complex blood vessels and infiltrate deep into the body's tissues. They move with surgical precision, purging tumors while leaving healthy cells untouched. It is a sophisticated internal defense system, reprogrammed to identify and destroy what it once ignored. This is the new frontier of precision medicine, where our own biology becomes the ultimate weapon. In China, the LK101 vaccine has cleared its major regulatory hurdles, becoming the first individualized mRNA therapy to secure FDA approval for clinical trials. The data is nothing short of compelling. Patients receiving this vaccine alongside ablation therapy have shown 0 recurrence, with survival times extending well beyond 4 years. Meanwhile, in the United States, a landmark trial for melanoma demonstrated a staggering 49% reduction in recurrence risk, keeping patients stable for over half a decade. Across the Atlantic, the United Kingdom reported an 87% survival rate among responders in a pancreatic cancer study. This is a disease previously feared as the king of cancers, yet it is finally being dethroned. Russia has officially launched its first personalized Neooncovac treatment, while Cuba's CIMAVAX continues to offer long-term control for lung cancer, with some patients reaching the 8-year mark. Even in the Netherlands, dendritic cell therapy has pushed the 2-year recurrence-free survival rate to 64%, far outpacing any standard care available today. From east to west, the map of cancer treatment is being redrawn by innovation and international cooperation. The process behind these victories is incredibly rigorous. It begins with a simple draw of blood, where vital immune cells are harvested. In the lab, these cells are trained with specific tumor antigens for 9 days, becoming specialized assassins. Once reintroduced to the patient, they launch a targeted offensive that was previously impossible. As Japan advances its WT1 peptide technology, the global consensus has become clear. We are winning. For millions of patients around the world, a diagnosis of cancer is no longer a final sentence, but a call to action. We are no longer victims of our genetics. The tools to rewrite human history are already in our hands. The era of despair is ending. The era of healing has begun.